Hello media people! Welcome to the channel and welcome po ulit sa another step-by-step video tutorial by Ranmon Link Media. So guys, kung bago lang po kayo dito sa channel ko, nag-upload po ako ng mga ganitong contents. Mainly nakafocus po tayo on how to make money online or kung paano kumita ng extra pera dito sa internet. Kaya kung gusto nyo pong mapanood yung mga ibang tutorial videos natin in the future, please do subscribe to my channel. Huwag nyo lang pong kalimutang i-click yung bell para ma-notify po kayo pag available na po yung mga videos na yon. So, in this video tutorial, magwi-withdraw na po tayo kay Cointiply. So, as you can see, I'm already on level 18 and I was able to collect 70,527 coins, which is equivalent to more than $7, which is also equivalent to 0.0005 BTC or 57,453 Bitcoin satoshis. Ngayon, paano ba siya i-withdraw? So, yung first step, dito po sa account name ninyo kay Cointiply, and then click on withdraw dito sa drop down menu, at ito na po yung lalabas, yung summary, same as what we have here up. So pinalaki lang niya, and then dito sa baba meron kayong dalawang options. It's either kung gusto niyo siyang i-withdraw sa inyong Bitcoin wallet or sa inyong Dogecoin wallet. So guys, sa akin, i-withdraw ko po siya sa aking Bitcoin wallet sa coins.ph. So, pipiliin ko po yung withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet. O, ayan. So, ayan yung amount in coins. And nakalagay dyan, minimum of 50,000. Kasi dito nakasulat dyan, the minimum direct to your Bitcoin wallet withdrawal amount is 50,000 coins. And as you can see, I have 70,000. So, lumampas na po tayo sa minimum. So, pwede na po tayo mag-withdraw. So, your Bitcoin wallet address, I highly recommend guys na bago kayo mag-claim dito kay Cointiply, dapat meron po kayong existing Bitcoin wallet. So, sa akin, ang gamit ko po is yung coins.ph at saka si Abra wallet. So, at this time, I will be using my coins.ph wallet to withdraw this amount. So, from here guys, i-click natin yan and then, pupuntahan po natin si coins.ph. So, ayan. Just to give you a summary guys, dito sa coins.ph account ko, meron na po akong 68,262 BTC satoshis, which is equivalent to 391 pesos and 22 centavos. Okay, so ang pupuntahan natin dito is itong apat na square. I-click lang po natin yan at lalabas po itong form na to at nakalagay dyan show my BTC address. I-click po natin yan at ayan na po. So it's either i-scan nyo po yung QR code or i-copy nyo po. Ito na po yung mismong address ng BTC wallet ko dito kay coins.ph. So i-click ko po yung copy wallet address, and after copying, balik na po tayo kay Cointiply. At dito po sa space na to, dito po natin siya ipipaste. So right click and then paste. So ayan po, just to confirm, yan po yung talagang wallet ko sa coins.ph, and then click on withdraw. So basahin nyo po yan guys. Nakalagay dyan, confirm your withdrawal request. Are you sure you want to withdraw 70,527 coins from your account? Please double check your withdrawal address before confirming address. So I highly recommend guys na copy paste yung gawin nyo. Huwag nyo pong i-manual entry kasi baka nagkamali kayo, irreversible na po at sayang naman po yung naipon nating amount ng BTC. So yan, warning, you are missing out of free coins. Keep your balance above 35 coins and earn 5% interest on your coin balance. So ang sinasabi niyan, parang mas gusto nila na wag muna kayo mag-withdraw, pero syempre, account mo yan, bahala po kayo kung gusto nyo pong dagdagan kasi nga pag above 35, meron po kayong free coins na 5% interest. Pero ako, mag-withdraw na po talaga ako, okay? Enter your password to confirm. So ayan. Ilalagay ko lang po yung password ko. And then, i-click nyo po yung yes, withdraw now. So, nakasulat po dito guys sa taas, your withdrawal has been submitted but you must approve it via email. Please check your email. So, i-close ko lang po yan at pupuntahan po natin yung Gmail natin na ginamit natin sa pag-open kay Cointiply para dun po natin ma-confirm. Okay? Close. Open po kayo ng bagong tab. At dito, nandito na po yung link ng Gmail ko. So, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-type. Click ko na lang po. Yan. So guys, ito na po yung email nila from Cointiply. Nakalagay dyan, action required, confirm your withdrawal request. So i-click po natin yung message na to. So basahin nyo po yung nakasulat dyan. This is an automated notice to inform you that the withdrawal request has been made on your account. Your account security is our top priority, so you must approve this payment by clicking the button below. So ito po yung button. So at least pinapakita pa rin dyan yung details. Yan po, confirm na yan po yung talaga yung BTC address ko sa coins.ph. So i-click na po natin yung approve this payment. After clicking that link, ito na po yung lalabas, approve your payment, verification code, yan po, approve my payment, at may warning po dito sa baba, only submit this form if you would like to approve this payment. If you did not make a payment request and you suspect your account has been compromised, do not submit this form. So ako naman po yung gumawa ng transaction. So i-click ko na po yung approve my payment. So ayan na po. Your payment has now been approved. Thank you. So ngayon guys, hintayin na lang natin and then balik po tayo sa coins.ph account natin para i-check natin kung pumasok na po yung withdrawal payment natin. Okay? Kung babalikan po natin yung account natin sa Cointiply, ito na po yung itsura niya. Coin balance is 0, balance in dollars is 0, balance ng BTC is 0. So everything else is 0 guys. So ayan. So natanggal na po yung value, nawala na po. So hintayin na lang po natin na mag-reflect doon sa coins.ph wallet natin. Okay? Ipapakita ko mamaya kapag naipasok na po yung withdrawal natin. So katulad ng pinakita ko kanina, meron tayong 68,262 BTC, and after 29 hours or 1 day and 5 hours, ito na po yung value niya, 748.73 pesos. O yan, umangat na naman, nagbago kasi nga volatile yung value ng Bitcoin. So that's 750.87. At kung kanina 86, ayan na po, 123,082 yung BTC ko, or 0.00123,082. Okay, so kung titignan po natin dito sa latest transaction, ito sa transactions natin yung history. Ayan po, October 22, naka-receive tayo ng 0.0005482 received from external account. So kung natatandaan nyo guys, nag-withdraw tayo dito kay Cointiply October 21, 2:30 p.m. and the date today is October 22, 7:30 p.m. So ayan po, more than 1 day po natin siyang hinintay, at ayan na nga po siya. At ayan guys, nakita nyo naman yung result. Legit na legit si Cointiply. Ito na po yung payment proof natin na possible po tayong kumita ng pera sa pangongolekta po ng free Bitcoin kay Cointiply. Hindi lang po Cointiply yung source ko ng free Bitcoin. Marami po pong mga websites. So ilalagay ko po dyan sa description part ng video na to yung mga ibang sites na pinagkukuhanan ko ng mga legit na mga cryptocurrencies, and most especially yung Bitcoin. Okay guys, sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, at kung gusto nyo pang makapanood ng mga ganitong tutorial videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Huwag nyo lang pong kalimutang i-click yung bell para ma-notify po kayo pag available na po yung mga videos natin. Okay? So that's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,